friends, welcome. My name is Bhapri Singh Soni and today I am going to tell you about P2P payment scam in India, crypto scam in India and how a normal individual get affected by these scams. Now let's talk about P2P scam. Now what is going on in India, let me tell you. Suppose there are three persons A, B and C. B is an innocent person who is just doing business in the market. A is a scammer, C is a scammer. Now B wants payment of rupees 1 lakh rupees from A. A knows that C has some fraud money, cyber fraud money in his bank account. Who has cyber fraud money in bank account? C. A will give C money in cash. In return, C will give a cash discount of 5% or 10% to A. Means A will give C only 90,000 rupees in cash. 10,000 rupees is the cash discount. Now the C will transfer the whole 1 lakh rupees amount, the fraud money, to B account. B is an innocent person who is just doing business. Police will track and freeze the account of B in this whole case. Both A and C will be out of picture. B will become the culprit in eyes of police. Now police will block the account of B, or B bank account will be put on hold or put on lien. This is the P2P crypto payment scam going in the market, or cyber fraud going in the market. Now in this case, what B can do? First step, B can refund the whole amount of money to C account or the victim account, or police will release B also. But remember, the transaction has to be done with the same account, not with different account. Step 2, talk to cyber police that you are just doing a business, you are also a victim in this whole game, and get your account unfreeze. If the police are not unfreezing your account, then you can send a legal notice or file a petition in the court to get your account unfreeze. If the judicial court dismiss your petition, then you can appeal to higher courts or Supreme Court of India. Well, court is a very expensive process. So, if your amount is more than 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, then take the help of judicial process. Or if your amount is below 1 lakh rupees, then forget it, because court is ultimate legitimate option, but it's very costly also. And majority of the cyber crime in India are done from Kerala side. So my advice for you is that don't do P2P payments from your account or your cousin account, especially your cousin family members accounts, because they can also get into trouble. Their account can get blocked or freeze. And also remember, sometimes terrorist money is also involved in P2P payments, crypto payments. What people are doing is they want to save 30% crypto tax in India. For that, they are doing P2P payments, cash payments, and ultimately they are getting into trouble for cyber fraud. See, if you want to save 30% tax on cryptocurrency, then go to Dubai. Offshore company is an option. There are so many legitimate and legal options for saving taxes in India. But following an illegal way, illegal route is very costly process in India. So don't follow it. Don't go for P2P payments, cash payments, because it can involve ED. It can attract terrorist activity. A lot of terrorists use this way, and by chance your account get involved in all of this, then you can definitely get into a legal trouble. So please avoid all types of scams, P2P payments, money from unknown sources, and please don't do this P2P payments for saving crypto tax also. So friends, if your account is blocked by police, then send them email, talk to them. They are not agreeing or not listening to you, send them a legal notice or to higher authorities, and still you don't get any way out, you can directly appeal to court through a lawyer. But yes, it's a very cost expensive process. You have to bear the cost also. You can go to court or get your account unfreeze by filing a petition, court will order, but definitely it's a very expensive process. You have to see it whether you want to go it for not, because it's involved around 40,000, 50,000 or 80,000 depending on state, city and lawyer. So friends, if you have any doubt regarding P2P payment, cyber crime, anything, you can comment down in the comment section and I will definitely answer it. Thanks for watching this video.